Top cover story and the state of insurance in Florida. And for the first time in nearly a decade, a major insurance company is filing a rate decrease. It is a sign that insurance agents claim shows the tide is starting to turn on the insurance crisis in the state. ABC Action News anchor Nadine Yanez continuing to cover all the very latest developments. All right, so Nadine, good news, but is this just a one-off or is this more than just one company saying they're ready to drop the rates?
Well, it sounds like this company could set a precedent, but this is a big one, Paul. So Security First saying for the first time in 9 years, they are reducing their rates by nearly 6%. Now, most of their policyholders are right along the I-4 corridor, which means that this rate reduction will impact homeowners right here in the Bay Area. Ormond Beach-based company Security First announced last week that it is reducing rates by 5.9% for about 80 to 90,000 policyholders. This is mostly on their signature home insurance HO3 policies. It's about 70% of their business. They're also reducing renters policies. Broken down by a dollar amount, this could result in an average annual premium savings ranging anywhere from $160 to $230 for Security First customers. I spoke with the company's president, Melissa Dervis, about why, after so many years of high rate increases, they feel confident enough in the Florida market to finally bring those rates down.
Why now? What is happening in the market that you guys can say we can pass on these savings?
I believe that the changes that the legislature and that the Florida Office of Insurance Regulation have made over the last 2 years have been transformational for the Florida homeowners insurance marketplace. And I think consumers are going to start seeing the benefit of all of that. We've seen a huge reduction in fraudulent or frivolous claims and in claims going to lawsuit that should never have gone. In the past, we would see claims that would end up in the legal system that should have been settled.
And those savings will kick in for renewals beginning in August of 2024. But this could be just the beginning. I spoke with Jake Holhouse. He's an insurance agent with HH Insurance Group here in the Bay Area. He believes other companies are planning rate decreases as well.
From talking to other carriers that we meet with on a weekly basis, many are also expecting a similar rate decrease. There's another company of a similar size of Security First, and they're filing about an 8.5% rate decrease, and another one in the 10% range. And so I think that you are seeing a total shift in the competitive landscape of Florida homeowners insurance.
Now, beyond rate decreases, agents say that insurance companies are also increasing their capacity. They're now writing policies for more homes, older homes, and in more zip codes. Another sign, Paul, that the companies are starting to see some optimism in Florida's insurance market. Finally, right?
All right, sounds good. I don't want to be Mr. Negative here, but what happens if we get slammed by another major hurricane? Does that throw the market again into a situation where they just can't afford the risk?
Yeah, this is all cautious optimism, right? So some good news. We just got in with the last hour. The State Office of Insurance Regulation says that 8 companies total, they plan to file rate reductions. So we could see a pattern here, but you hit it spot on. If we get one storm, the insurance agent I spoke with today says that could set all of this progress backwards.
All bets are off.
Less than a week away.
It's all about the risk versus reward.
Yeah.
Nadine, thank you. You've been so great about keeping us up to date on all of this.
Yeah,
Appreciate
thank you,
it.
Paul.